You're not going to believe this home invasion pursuit. Let's get into it.
Possible matching Dallas and Whitmore for Taurus.
33, give us some 33.
Minus channel 1030.
Wait, they're already matching the vehicle description. That's excellent police work right there, getting the details out quickly. When you're dealing with an armed situation, that quick identification makes all the difference in confirming the vehicle.
For Mary 33.
Alright, we're westbound Glen Arbor coming to Dallas. Be pursued. All matching the description. Rolling the stop. Northbound Dallas. Passenger in the back looks like it's getting ready to Lakeville.
Okay, here we go. They're setting up for the PIT. Whoa, successful execution. That is exactly how it's supposed to look. The pursuit is over, but the risk level is sky high now as they move into the arrest phase.
I copy westbound Glen Arbor.
Y833, all take over comms. Alright, pit is mobilized and successful.
Get your hands up! Get your hands up! You don't move! Put your hands on top of your head!
Look at how many officers are on the scene instantly. That's fantastic coordinated backup. They've got them pinned in and under control fast. By overwhelming the suspects with presence, they've contained the whole situation quickly.
Now! Get your hands up! Get your hands up! You don't move! Put your hands on top of your head now!
And that's the clip, guys. Man, what a wild 2 minutes of police activity. Seriously, you have to appreciate the coordination here. Right from the jump, dispatch had a solid description of the vehicle and the patrol units were on it. The communication was flawless. Then, watching that pit maneuver, that was textbook. It ended the danger of the high-speed chase instantly, which is the whole point. But the real high-tension moment was that final felony stop. When you have 4 masked individuals, all suspects in an armed home invasion, the risk is through the roof. The officers did a great job of using overwhelming presence and clear, loud commands to get compliance fast. As for consequences, these suspects are looking at some very serious charges. Given the armed home invasion part mentioned in the title, we're talking about multiple felony counts. Everything from burglary and possible robbery to evasion and weapons charges. They are absolutely facing significant jail time. It's a huge win for the police and, more importantly, a huge relief for the victims of that home invasion. Let me know what you guys thought of this clip in the comments below. Did you think the pit was executed perfectly? Hit that like button, subscribe for more breakdowns, and I'll catch you in the next one.